In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record with Wave.video. We'll start right inside Wave.video so you can get a clean, reliable recording without extra software. Make sure you're logged in and have a stable internet connection, since your browser will handle both your camera and your screen. If you're on a laptop, plugging in a headset mic can help keep your audio crisp, but your built-in mic will work just fine. From your dashboard, head to My Projects. This is where all your content lives and where you'll launch new captures. Once you're there, look for the section called Streams. Streams is Wave.video's space for live and recorded sessions, and it's the quickest path to creating a new screen or camera recording. Click New Recording. This opens the recording setup so you can decide exactly what you want to capture. You'll see two paths, Simple and Advanced. Simple is perfect for quick, dependable recordings. It offers three choices: camera, camera plus screen, or screen plus audio. Advanced is there if you want extra controls, but the simple options cover most needs. For this walkthrough, I'll use the camera option to show the flow. Before the recording starts, your browser will ask permission to use your microphone and camera. Approve access. This is required so Wave.video can capture your voice and video. Take a moment to frame your shot, check your lighting, and glance at your audio input to be sure the correct mic is selected. When you're ready, click record. You'll see a short countdown and then you're live. Speak clearly, keep your notes nearby, and try to keep your energy consistent. If you chose camera plus screen or screen plus audio instead, Wave.video will prompt you to pick what to share, like your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Select the option that matches what you want to show, and be mindful of any sensitive information before sharing. Close unrelated tabs and silence notifications to avoid surprises during the capture. As you record, keep an eye on your time and the on-screen indicators so you know everything is being captured. When you're finished, conclude your thought and pause briefly to give the recording a clean endpoint. Wave.video will handle saving your capture back into My Projects under Streams, where you can review, trim, or reuse it in your other video projects. And that's all there is to it. Go to My Projects, open Streams, start a new recording, choose Simple or Advanced, approve your mic and camera, and hit record. With these steps, you'll be screen recording confidently in Wave.video in just a couple of minutes.